Hi everyone, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate and go through the typography section under theme settings. Okay, so what I've done is I've clicked on typography, and it's quite nice because there's so many features here, especially when it comes to fonts. I mean, it's such a big thing. So each section here we've got text font. I've clicked on the main navigation bar, navigation typography menu over here, and then this is basically for the body font, the text font. So that's the general font. So if I go to this website here, like that's basically the general font. Okay, so let's go through that. So let me just show you how it works. So over here we've got tons of different fonts, and the nice thing about it is if I click on a font, it gives you a preview of what the font's going to look like. So you know exactly what it looks like in capital, small letters, and numbers, and it just really helps to know so you can know exactly what's going on. Nice thing about it as well is if I change this font size, it even gives you a preview of what it's going to look like exactly, the size and everything. Okay, even over here you can change the weight of it. So these are all different options for weight. You can have it light, which makes it thin. You can see it's a bit thinner, or you can have it bold or semi-bold. So you can see exactly that as well. It's quite great. So you can just go through that and play around with what kind of text you want. Okay, primary font. This is the titles and the posts and stuff. So that's more this type of font. Okay, so that's more of a bold, bigger font. So you can go through all these fonts and go crazy. Let's click on just any one. The size is quite nice, 27. I want it to be that color. Okay, and then okay, so some fonts don't have all the sizes. So let's actually change this to something else like Roboto. Okay. Okay, so now I've got more options. Okay, so let's say ultra bold. Okay, so that's what my headers are going to look like. Well, they're not that like that's the size it's going to be. Okay, and then everything else is basically self-explanatory. If you read under here, it says this is for categories and pages. The fonts for that. This is secondary fonts, so you might have a secondary font, in case some browsers can't see certain fonts and so on. This is widget fonts. This is normally in the footer of the website and the sidebar of the website. Navigation font is quite important, so that's this font here. So you can put the size in, you can change your font here for your navigation. Okay, so that's basically how you do fonts or typography. Nice thing is for all those people that can't find the font that they're looking for. Like some people are quite specific on especially the fonts for the titles or navigation font. You can actually upload your own custom font. So you just click over here, custom fonts, and then here if you download a font or buy a font, you'll get one of these files you can upload depending on which one it is. But we have all the options here. So just find the right one that you bought or download and put it in here. And then it'll give your typography will get another font and it'll give you another option to add that font, which is quite nice. These two we'll leave out. They're more advanced. I mean, I wouldn't worry about those two. But I mean, just using just this tool alone and all the different fonts you can do, and going through text fonts and primary fonts and so on, I think you guys can really make, put together something that really suits you because there's such a variety of different fonts here. Okay, so that's basically my video. I can't wait. Let me quickly save this and just take a look at what we've done with this. Um, just a quick one. Okay, so let me just refresh. Okay, it's just loading and loading. Okay. Okay, cool. So there we go. So there's my navigation font, but we didn't really change that. Here's the bigger font that I put, and you can see like this looks a bit different. So basically, it's quite nice because you want everything to be all the same. You want it uniform. You want to use your website uniform, and this is nice because when you're creating products and you updating pages and you're creating blogs and so on, at least the whole website's got the same fonts and everything is uniform. Okay, so thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to go through styles and colors. Thanks very much. Cheers.